How to change the chart type in JustMarkets. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Changing the chart type can help you analyze the market in a way that suits your trading style. So JustMarkets makes it super simple to change your chart type. Launch open JustMarkets application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're inside, go to the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen and open up any instrument you want to view. I'm just opening up this instrument over here. After opening up the instrument, you'll see this chart section. Once you open the chart page, you'll see the default chart style on your screen. Right now it is Candlestick for me. Now in order to change that, go ahead and tap on the chart icon right next to the 1M button at the top left. Simply tap on that and you'll see different types of chart types you can choose from. The most popular one is Candlestick for technical analysis. The other chart options are shown on the page. If you choose the line option, then it shows the closing price over time in a simple format. Similarly, you can go for area, which is similar to a line chart, but with the area beneath it filled. Similarly, you have other options such as Heikin-Neshi, baselines, etc. Choose one of the chart type you want and you'll immediately see the change. After making the selection, you can see that you have changed between the chart types immediately. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you.